Hello everyone, how are you? You might already know what the video is about. It's about the new WhatsApp privacy policy. So let's get started. Everyone got a pop-up on WhatsApp saying WhatsApp will share data with Facebook. And you only have two options. One is to accept it and other is to do it later. But from February 8th, you need to accept it. Otherwise, you can't use the service. From then, WhatsApp will be highly integrated with Facebook. That means WhatsApp will share data with Facebook, which includes everything except your text messages, because your messages are end-to-end encrypted. And this end-to-end encryption is Signal's protocol. If you don't know what Signal is a best and secure messaging app which replaces every SMS apps. What specific things WhatsApp collects? Your information such as hardware model, OS information, battery level, signal strength, app version, browser information, mobile network, connection information like ISP, language and time zone, IP address, device operations information, payment transactions, and also cookies, which may contain your usernames and passwords. It's time to switch to Signal or Telegram. We all know Telegram is recently became popular because it has so many features when compared with other messaging apps and include many privacy settings. Talking about the encryption in Telegram, it supports end-to-end encryption but limited to secret chats only. As of now, the company has not shared any data with third-party apps and the government. In the secret chat feature, Telegram uses its own encryption protocol, MT-Proto. The protocol is acceptable, but it's a closed source protocol. So security researchers can't verify the protocol used to encrypt the chats. And switching to Signal will be a great thing because Signal is an open source, and when it comes to privacy and security, no other messaging app can beat the Signal. To protect users, it uses the open source Signal protocol to implement end-to-end encryption. What makes the Signal more capable than WhatsApp is its sealed sender protocol. It's a new way to communicate where no one will able to know who is messaging whom, including Signal. Some of the Signal unique features include ability to hide IP address, incognito keyboard, dark mode, and powerful photo editor, etc. So what do you think about switching to Telegram or Signal? Let me know in the comments below. And let us see what Mark Zuckerberg says when questioned by senior senators about privacy.
Thank you very much, Mr. Chairman. Mr. Zuckerberg, would you be comfortable sharing with us the name of the hotel you stayed in last night?
No.
If you've messaged anybody this week, would you share with us the names of the people you've messaged?
Senator, no, I would probably not choose to do that publicly here.
I think that may be what this is all about. Your right to privacy, the limits of your right to privacy, and how much you give away in modern America in the name of, quote, connecting people around the world.
The owner of the company is not willing to share the hotel name which he stayed last night. Then why should we want to share our personal information? So I hope everyone will delete your WhatsApp accounts and switch to Signal or Telegram. So that's it for the video. If you think the video is useful, give it a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos. And please share this video to your family and friends so that they may switch to Telegram or Signal. And thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next.